Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The count on the aluminum frames matches the invoice. All right, looks good. We'll clear it for the floor.
If we look at the Q3 projections here, the robotic arms increased efficiency by 15%.
That explains the uptick in throughput we've seen this quarter. Look at the throughput on line 3. We're exceeding targets by 10%.
That's excellent. The new calibration seems to have stabilized the robotics. And that's how solar panels are made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.